A $100K Social Security cap proposal. What to know and how to protect your retirement. Prana Benefit TV. What if the government suddenly limited how much Social Security you could receive? A new proposal could cap benefits at $100K per year, and people are already worried about retirement. Why this new Social Security proposal matters. Social Security is facing a major problem right now. Experts say the program could run low on fund in less than 7 years. And if nothing changes, benefits could automatically be cut by around 24%. That possibility is making millions of Americans nervous about their future retirement income. To address this issue, a Washington think tank called the Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget introduced a new idea called the Six Figure Limit or SFL. The proposal would place a cap on how much Social Security income high earners can receive. According to the paper, this could help reduce the program financial problem over time and improve long-term stability while the idea mainly targets wealthy retiree. The conversation around it is creating concern because people fear any future changes to Social Security could affect retirement planning across the country. What exactly is the $100K Social Security cap? The proposal is actually pretty simple. It would limit Social Security benefits to a maximum of $100K per year for married couple retiring at full retirement age. For single retiree, the cap would be $50K per year. Right now, only the highest income earners even come close to receiving benefits at these levels. The proposal would also adjust these limits over time based on inflation and retirement age. Supporters of the idea say it's a fair way to reduce pressure on the social security system without hurting average Americans since high earners receive the largest benefit. The proposal focuses on reducing payments at the very top while leaving most people untouched. According to experts behind the plan, these changes could save billions of dollars and improve Social Security long-term financial health. How much money could this proposal save? The numbers behind this proposal are massive. Researchers estimate the six figure limit could save anywhere from $100 billion to $190 billion over the next decade, depending on how the cap is adjusted over time. Some version of the plan could reduce as much as half of Social Security long-term funding gap. The idea is that these savings would start small but grow steadily every year, helping extend the life of the Social Security Trust Fund. Experts say this would mainly affect a tiny percentage of wealthy retirees while helping stabilize benefit for everyone else. Supporters believe it's one possible way to avoid future across the board benefit cuts. But even though the proposal sounds financially helpful, it has also sparked debate about fairness, retirement expectation, and how much people should receive after paying into the system for decades. Who would actually be affected? For most Americans, this proposal probably would not change anything directly. Financial experts say fewer than 2% of Social Security beneficiaries currently receiving benefits anywhere near six figures. That means the average retiree would likely not be impacted at all. To qualify for extremely high Social Security benefit, someone would need decades of very high earners and would usually delay retirement until age 70. So practically speaking, this proposal mainly targets wealthy households. However, even if most people are not directly affected, the idea still worry many Americans because it reminds them that the Social Security itself is under financial pressure. People fear that today's small changes could eventually lead to bigger adjustment in the future. That uncertainty is what makes retirement planning feel more stressful for so many families. How experts say you should protect yourself. Financially planner are giving Americans one important piece of advice. Don't build your retirement around perfect assumption about social security. Experts say people should prepare as if benefits could eventually be lower than expected, not gone completely but reduced. That means increasing retirement savings, contributing more to 40k and IRA, and building multiple income source instead of relying only on social security. Some advisory also recommend Roth conversion and creating flexible withdrawal strategy become retirement. The goal is simple: create a financial plan that can survive uncertainty. Experts say panic is not the answer, but preparation is. If future change happen, people with strong retirement plan will feel much more secure than those depending entirely on one government program. Planning ahead now can reduce stress later. Final lesson: retirement is changing fast. The biggest takeaway from this proposal is not just the 100k dollar cap, it's the bigger warning behind it. Social Security is facing long term challenges, and conversation about reform are becoming more serious every year. Whether this specific proposal ever becomes law or not, it shows that retirement planning is changing rapidly. Americans can no longer assume the system will stay exactly the same forever. That's why experts say financial flexibility is more important than ever before. The people who feel most confident about retirement are usually the ones who prepare early, save consistently, and build multiple safety nets. Because in the end, true retirement social security don't come from helping everything. Stay for